Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So basically, picking up where I dropped off, I actually ended up staying in Seattle for an extra day. The first 4 days I did the event, did everything that was going on, and then on the fifth day, which was that Sunday I believe, me and Bestie decided to explore Seattle, which was such a good experience. The hotel view was so beautiful. There was a little cabana, a bar, you could do boat rides in the water. It was so nice. I did a couple of reels for Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and insert it here. That way you guys can see it.
I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco light.
So as I was saying, the Meridian experience was great, but staying the extra day really gave me an opportunity to really see Seattle, and I'm sure I didn't even scratch the surface of what Seattle had to offer. So the little bit that I did get to do was just really great. So we went on ahead and went to the market. And you guys, I'm not gonna lie, Seattle has me a little spoiled. The floral arrangements, the selection of florals there was so nice. Florals were between about 20 to maybe $35. There was a couple that was like 60, but the ones that were 60 looked like something you would see at, like a wedding venue or something. And I was just like, oh my gosh, I was so taken aback. I loved it so much that I went on ahead and I purchased, well, I didn't purchase, but I brought some home. After that, we decided to go on a boat ride, which was really calming. It was a little chilly, not gonna lie. I wish the weather was just a little bit warmer, or maybe I should have dressed warmer. But for the most part, being on the boat was just really, really nice. Everyone was laughing and just having a good time. And the captain was making so much jokes. I mean, I laughed so freaking hard. I know a few videos back, someone said main character energy. And baby, on this trip, it was definitely a lot of main character energy. I'd go back. I would definitely go back.
But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid.
So you guys, here is the floral arrangement. It looks so freaking good. I cut it. It's currently in a vase. It looks amazing. I'm going to try to make it home with me tomorrow when I leave. It looks so good. And let me just say, it was $25, y'all. This is actually going to be the last full arrangement that my home is going to see, because the next couple days is going to be fully packing to get ready to go. I love it. It looks so good, y'all.
Okay, so you guys, I'm sorry, my voice is all messed up. Going to Seattle, if you follow me on Instagram, I ended up getting like sick because of the weather. It was rainy, it was cold, then it was warm, then it was rainy again, and then it was cold, and then it rained again, and then it was sunny, and then Atlanta was hot, and so just the change in the weather. But I'm actually feeling good enough to pack today, just enough to pack, okay? The movers will be here tomorrow. Of course, Kev is here. Donica is here. I'm like feeling very emotional because this is the official goodbye. And so everyone's coming in to pitch in to help me pack. I'm gonna pack the bookshelves here, but once I'm done, I'm gonna go pick up the U-Haul and get things. I don't know. I don't know. I'm excited, but I'm also like, Right now, y'all can hear it in my voice. I want to cry.
Don't come that. Not right now. We got a lot to do. We got a lot to do. Please say that for tomorrow. We have enough time. Nothing to be done.
I know, but it's a little sad.
Yeah.
It's a little sad.
I'm gonna cry tomorrow.
But I'm sure most of you guys know. I don't even think I was supposed to buy my house in Savannah in the first place.
Yeah, you did. It was a reason for that.
Yeah. No, I think there was a reason. I think
Yeah.
I didn't have any distractions. I was able to build and grow without any distractions. I was able to focus on me without any distractions. I was able to really figure things out. At the time, the boys was definitely not Team Atlanta. I had to take heed of that.
Not ready.
Yeah. They still not 100% ready to go, but they done drove crazy these last 2 years, so their opinion don't matter no more.
Out of here.
I am out of here. on it like I'm normally on it, but because I was sick, I missed out on 2 days of packing. The movers will be here tomorrow. So grateful for Kevin and Donica again for coming. But the sofa's wrapped, the cushion is wrapped. I'm just gonna take all the clothes and put them in a bag. I'll figure it out when I leave. Bookcase and underneath all that stuff is done. But this is here. Kevin is in the office handling that. We're gonna go ahead and get the U-Haul and start with my room. Everything right now, my focus honestly is for things not to get damaged. So I'm trying to cover and wrap everything. So pretty much when the movers come, they can just grab and put everything on a truck. So I'm trying to have everything situated as much as possible. I even have some stuff to cover up the glass here so it don't break. So what I want to do is wrap it and put it up top and just fix it. That way when they come, things are pretty much already in order. So I don't have to worry about anything. So I am going to load the truck with some stuff. Donica's packing up the last minute stuff in the kitchen. And then we're going to go upstairs in my bedroom. I'm probably going to just leave it on my day bed tonight. And then the mattress, cover everything up with plastic. Because the only mattress I'm taking is the one in the master. I already sold the ones in the kids' rooms. So that's not coming with me. I have to get all new stuff. So doing pretty good, y'all. Doing pretty good considering I'm not feeling 100% and I still got the pain.